Today in history, 5th October 1962, bright and adventurous, London, United Kingdom. Dear Diary, today is super exciting because I get to go and see the premiere of the film Dr. No. It's the first ever James Bond film, and everyone is talking about it. I can feel the energy in the air as we walk to the cinema in London. There are lots of people dressed very nicely, like they're going to a fancy party. Dr. No is all about a secret agent named James Bond who works for the British government. People say he's really cool and brave. I learned that the character was created by a writer named Ian Fleming who wrote stories about him. This film is special because it shows how fun and exciting spy adventures can be. We get to the Odeon Cinema, and it looks amazing. There are bright lights and a big sign that says Dr. No. I see people taking pictures, and everyone looks so happy. I feel like I'm part of something really big, like I'm in a story myself. I can't wait to see Sean Connery as Bond because everyone says he is perfect for the role. When the film starts, the whole room goes quiet. I see James Bond, and he is so cool with his fancy clothes and amazing gadgets. The lady in the film, Honey Rider, is really brave too, and she surprises me when she comes out of the water. I hear everyone in the theater gasping, and I can't help but smile as I watch the action unfold. Halfway through the film, my friend Lily tells me she wants to be a spy after watching it. She says it looks thrilling to go on adventures. I think it's funny how everyone is cheering and clapping at all the exciting moments. I feel so inspired seeing the bravery of the characters that I want to go on an adventure too. Maybe not a spy adventure though. Finally, the film comes to an end and the credits start rolling. The audience bursts into applause, and I clap too. I can't stop thinking about how much fun it was. I can tell that everyone else feels the same way because of all the smiles and excitement. It's one of the best days ever.